Infinity Drain Site Sizable Linear Drain Systems allows for adjustment of the drain's channel on site as well as placement of the outlet anywhere along the run of the channel. This video will show you the installation of our S-TIF 65 and S-LTIF 65 tile-in drains. The components shown are the contents of a complete kit. The hair and maintenance kit for your drain will include a lift-out key and hair basket for easy cleaning and maintenance once installation is complete. Determine the location of the drain outlet. The installation instructions includes a template for using one of our compact drain body assemblies. Use the template and mark the centers of the holes through the paper. Drill the 4 1 1/8 inch outer circles first, then drill the 3 1/2 inch circle last. Place the drain body into the hole on the subfloor and ensure that it is level. If you're using a traditional round drain body and would like the drain to be installed flush against the wall, an additional layer of backer board will be needed to compensate for the drain radius. Next, remove the clamp ring on the drain body and prepare your subfloor for mortar. Spread tar paper and wire lath in over the subfloor before spreading the mortar bed. Cut out a hole on the tar paper and wire lath to reveal the drain body. Spread dry pack mortar over the subfloor. The mortar bed should be sloped in all directions towards the drain, using a 1/4 inch square foot ratio. After the mortar bed is dry, spread the waterproofing membrane as per manufacturer's instructions and local code. Locate the drain body and make a cut through the waterproofing membrane to reattach the clamp ring. Dry fit end caps at the open ends of the PVC channel. Measure the desired wall-to-wall length, allow for wall tile thickness, and allow 3/16 of an inch for both end caps. Mark and cut 2 7/16 inches for the outlet section in the desired outlet location on the channel. Insert the open ends of the PVC channel into the outlet section. Dry fit the assembled PVC channel and remeasure to verify the length. Next, bond all PVC components together using clear PVC primer and cement. Measure the inside length of the assembly and mark the measured length on the outside edge of the channel trim. Using a pair of metal cutting snips, cut the channel trim at the mark. Then make a second cut along the short side and bend the channel trim back. Once the end is removed, use a rubber mallet to snap the channel trim onto the PVC channel assembly. Verify the outlet position and then proceed to thread the S50 outlet into the clamp-down drain body. The threaded outlet provides height adjustment for the PVC channel to match the finish floor. Test fit the PVC channel and check the height of the threaded nipple. Remove the PVC channel and bead clear PVC primer and cement to the S50 and to the bottom of the outlet section. Place the PVC channel on top of the S50 and press down to bond. After PVC cement is dry, place pea gravel around and under the PVC channel. Insert the channel spacer into the channel assembly. Ensure spacer sits firmly into the channel assembly before spreading mortar. The channel spacer is used as both a mud guard as well as to prevent flexing during installation. Spread dry pack mortar. The mortar bed should be sloped towards the drain. Apply thin set to the floor and install finish floor tile. The finish floor tile should sit 1/16 inch above the drain. To cover any visible edges of the PVC channel, we recommend using an epoxy-based grout. Remove the ends of the tile insert frame and measure the inside length of the PVC drain channel. Cut the tile insert frame to length from one end. The overall length of the tile insert frame should be 1/8 inch less than the inside length of the PVC channel. Clean the stainless steel tile-in frame with isopropyl alcohol and apply a bead of the provided M1 sealant to the tile insert ends. Press down to bond the tile insert frame to the ends. Once the M1 sealant has dried, spread a thin layer of thin-set mortar onto the tile insert frame and on the back side of the finished tile. Place the finished tile into the tile insert frame for final assembly. Place the included hair basket into the outlet for the drain and place the tile insert frame into the channel. Use the provided lift-out key to help support the tile insert frame when lowering it into the channel.